Hi guys, this is Alvin from Dahua Overseas Business Center. The demand for Wi-Fi connection is increasing, and therefore it is important to equip our homes and businesses with a reliable router. Today, we're going to unbox the brand new Dahua Wireless Router. Let's check this out. Here's the WR5210 model of the Dahua Wireless Router. It features a dual-band AC1200 and offers 867 megabytes per second at 5 GHz band and 300 megabytes per second at 2.4 GHz band. In terms of network security, this router has a one-click activation function to switch on a variety of firewalls, which can significantly protect users from possible cyber attacks. It is equipped with intelligent features such as night mode and parental control and allows users to manage their devices and Wi-Fi scheduling directly from the web interface. It also supports creation of a separate Wi-Fi connection for visitors, which can help protect users' privacy. The color of this model is black. If you prefer white and a more economical option, you can avail the WR5200 model. For this video, we're going to unbox this WR5210 model. Let's get started. Its dimension is 420 millimeters in length, 297 millimeters in width, and 80 millimeters in height. It has RJ45 Wan Port with static IP, DHCP, and PPOE Wan Port connection modes. Its power input is 12 volts DC 1A with maximum output power of 5.6 watts. The Dahua Wireless Router also has a CE and FCC wireless certification. And as you can see, it has 6 external omnidirectional antennas. Its optimal transmission distance is 5 to 10 meters. The wireless signal can cover an area of up to 100 square meters. Its dimension is 200 millimeters in length, 124.4 millimeters in width, and 28.0 millimeters in height, with net weight of 0.28 kilograms. Another worth mentioning feature of this device is its beamforming technology that auto-detects connected devices and creates stronger coverage. It is also equipped with MU-MIMO technology that allows simultaneous transferring of data to multiple devices for better performance. The Dahua Wireless Router also supports 802.11ac for faster transmission speed, and WPA and WPA2 encryptions to help protect users against cyber attacks. These features sound so cool, but how about its configuration? Wanna know how it works? It's super easy. Let's check this out. There you have it! So easy and convenient, right? Overall, the Dahua Wireless Router offers a smooth internet connection with its dual-band AC1200. It also provides intelligent functions to protect users' privacy and allows easy installation using its super-friendly web interface, making it a perfect choice for homes and small office networks. Once again, this has been your friendly Dahua assistant Alvin, and if you're new to this channel, please don't forget to click the subscribe button below and hit the bell notification icon to get notified every time we post a new update. Also, you can follow our official social media accounts right here. And stay tuned for more informative videos right here at Dahua Technology, enabling a safer society and smarter living.